Morning, guys. I'm going to work today, but I'm also buying a car. So I'm not gonna tell you what it is yet, but it's nothing crazy. It's a cheap car, but I ended up accidentally buying it. I was told the guy I was interested, and the next thing you know, he was like, "You're buying it, right?" And I was like, "Oh, fuck, I guess so." So now it's cool though. I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit, all right? Letting the truck warm up a little bit. It's really icy out, like it's freaking cold out here. Like seriously, I hate coming out here. I just wish I could stay inside all day. This sucks. Let me tell you guys a little bit about the car though while it warms up. Guy bought a new vehicle, so he kind of ran into me and was like, "Hey man, do you want to buy this car?" So I almost feel like I have to buy it just simply because it just kind of fell on my lap. But it's a good car for the price that he's asking. It just, when I said that I accidentally bought it, is because he just gave me a call and he was like, "Hey, I'm gonna be in, at this day. I'm gonna be in around this time. Bring the money and we'll do the deal there." I was like, "Oh shit! All right, I guess I'm buying this car." So at that point, like I said, I'm not upset. I could have obviously said no if I didn't want the car, but I'm not really upset about it because it's a good car and you guys are gonna see it, So anyways, I need to get to work now, so I'm gonna start driving down there. Well, the guy with the car is waiting for us at the dealership now, so we're going to go down there and meet him right after we're done eating and just try to eat some food real fast and then shoot down there. This is the Big Sassy at Burgerville. The Big Sassy. Give her a bite. That's good, bro. Pretty good. Oh yeah. This guy parked in the customer parking. Actually, no, it wasn't. It was employee parking. And he got his car hit right there on the side. I'll show you guys when we get out.
Should have parked on the lot, bro.
On the lot. Anyways, the guy with the BMW is he's waiting for me now. So I'm just gonna eat my food real quick, and then I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the... Oh, I said BMW. Damn it, they know. Let's see this damage on your vehicle, yeah?
Look how they did my baby, bro.
Oh my God.
Look what they did to me.
Dude, we came out and his car was like that. How was it?
Dude, that's dirty. No, nothing, bro.
That's
a grimy move right there. I bet you was a salesman, I tell you that.
Linfoot. Success buy or no?
Dude, this is more than a success. This is like a
Overwhelming success. Here's the vehicle, guys. I just picked it up. Really, really clean fucking car. So, looks simple, right? Told you it was a cheap car that I was buying, but I got a pretty good deal on it. It is a manual. You can see that. Manual. It's only got 101,000 miles on this thing, guys. 101,000 miles. It's immaculate. Like literally everything about this car is just crap. Everything about this car is just crazy clean. Look at that. Look at that. I don't think anyone has ever sat back here, man. I don't think anyone has ever sat back there. No. If I'm being honest. Look at that.
I don't think so.
See that right there? Just needs a nice little vacuum. Dude, it's immaculate. It has extra keys in here. What else do we got? Let's see. Let's pop the trunk. What's in the trunk?
This is the best part.
This is the best part. Subs. Dude, these are the floor mats. I mean, they're not brand new, but these are the OG floor mats. The guy just kept them in. See, look, no one's ever sat in the back seat. Look at that. everything about this car is crazy.
Check it out.
Oh yeah, the best
Full
part actually.
Toolkit.
Full toolkit, everything, nothing missing. Guys, I think I just scored with this vehicle.
The struts still work? Okay.
Single owner. I literally bought it from the original owner. They bought it with 5 miles on it. Just an old couple. So I am the second owner of this vehicle. Dude, I'm the second owner of this car. That's it. It's just one person and then me. Make sure you give your honest opinion on how it drives.
Dude, it feels smooth as fuck. I mean, that's just first gear, but
That is.
the engine sounds right. Feels smooth. Doesn't feel like it's not missing anything. Like it feels how it's supposed to feel. It feels like it has 5 miles on it.
Feels brand new.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're just coasting it. That's crazy. I can't drive.
Yeah, you really can't drive.
No.
You lost your touch. Wait, how long has it been since you've driven manual?
Actually, out on the roads, like probably 3 months.
I forgot.
Yeah, you put some serious trust into me. This is like serious bonding.
This is serious bonding.
Yeah. That you
Yeah.
would let me drive this car.
Yeah, that's kind of crazy. I'm thinking about it now. Like, you can see it in my
you should be
face.
afraid.
I'm like, oh, fuck, when I kind of heard that shift. Like, did I just waste this money? Could you imagine? I buy you lunch, and then you crash my car?
What would you do?
I don't know. Like, should I hit you? Like, would you give me permission to hit you?
I'd probably give you permission to kill me.
Let me know what you guys think of the vehicle, guys. Come on.
Dude, like,
What?
look at this. This is sophisticated shit. For your coins, dude.
How many coins do you have?
Plenty for that, because I'm sophisticated. Never let a dime go to waste.
Dude. I want them to tell me what they think of this car. Wash bay, baby. Wash bay. Dang, man, that thing is, wow. Look at that. seats. Real nice. It's just a smooth drive. Everything, well, there's some things that like don't work, but everything seems to work, and mechanically the car is, you know, perfect. But like, for example, that stuff there, it's got the old braille looking crap all over there. It's a common BMW problem. The seat, like it won't, like one of the rails is kind of off centered, so when you try to not recline the seat but like scoot the seat back, it'll kind of like derail a little bit. So there's like little things that I need to fix, but other than that, I mean, it's nice. She's all washed up and couldn't be any happier. But I'm only gonna enjoy this for a little bit. I mean, I don't plan on keeping it forever, but I could definitely put some miles on it and then get rid of it, because those are original miles. 101,996. Super low. And this motor's, you know, known to be quite reliable, so I could for sure put miles on it and then get rid of it and make some money off of it. Alright, I think that's about it for this video though. Just showing you guys purchasing the car, washing it. Thank you guys for watching. I would appreciate it if you guys can leave some feedback, like, subscribe. That's a lot of bumps. My voice was shaking. Like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, guys. Please, come on. Show me some love, please. Thank you, guys. Have a good one.